Okay, this is the hallway to Dr. Blair's area. Nurse's station, that area back there is dry. But we've got all sorts of water down here. Into Dr. Blair's office. I think that exam room is okay. All the way down the hall, there are some dry spots. The bathroom is flooded. That exam room, let's see, 13 is okay. 12 looks okay. It's a little bit dry here. That one's okay. I'm outside of exam room 10 right now, which is Terry's office. I put towels down at Adelie's because it was leaking in there. This entire hallway. The whole medicine closet you can see down there. It's gotten to the wood. This is exam room 8. The bathroom looks to be okay. Second bathroom looks to be okay. Nikita has already mopped up the lab. Your office is okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Hardin's office is good. She's mopped up the lab, which was pretty significant earlier. Looks like there's still water left in here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Yeah, she's not been able to mop all of it. It's gonna take professionals to take care of this.